Today we'll be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. So this retails for $25 per month, and inside your box you do get a card that tells you more about the products inside and what the price retails for and how to use it and all that. Okay, let's begin. So the first product here is this Foxy Bay Leave-In Cream Conditioner, and this is the item that I chose. You can choose one item per month for your box. And this retails for $18.95. Okay. The next item is this Dutch Dirt Mask. It's supposed to be a face mask. Let's see how much this retails for. It's $49. And this box, it's all full-sized items. The next item is this Galactic Jello Gloss Balm. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. Looks like this pinkish balm. It has no color. Okay. And this, let's see how much this retails for. So this retails for $18. Okay. The next item is this Tortiest eyeliner. And it's a double take eyeliner, so it's double-sided. Let's take a look. This is what it looks like. This side is the liquid liner. It's a black color. And the other side is this more pencil gel-like liner. It's black as well. Okay. And that retails for $24. Okay, there's one more thing left in there. The last item retails for $20. It's the Shayna B Miami Mini eyeshadow palette. Let's take a look. So has a mirror in there as well, and this plastic covering it. So these are the colors. There's 4 shimmers on the top row and 4 mattes on the bottom. I'll swatch the shimmer so you can see what it's like. It's a bronzy gold color, more of a dark green, a lighter gold, and this one's the lightest. And the mattes are basically neutral, very neutral colors. And as always, there is a bag included in the Ipsy. The bag for this month is this green bag with flowers on it and this wooden thing. So that's what it looks like. That's the last item in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.